Wagwan alaikum, my good people. So we are about to catch a short trade anytime soon. So I want to ride this short trade over here. So as you can see, the internal order flow is bearish, as you can see. So this is just a pullback, and I'm just waiting for it to come back to maybe this supply zone or over here so that you can continue down. Yeah, so price has just mitigated our supply zone, so price can just drop from this point or maybe come all the way to this supply zone so that you can continue going down. So right now I'm just waiting for my confirmation, maybe to see some sort of bearish pin bar or something, or price being rejected from this supply zone so that I can enter the market. Yeah, as you can see over here, this supply zone has not yet been mitigated by any candlestick, so price can just blast past this supply zone and come all the way up here, or maybe if there will be enough sell pressure, we can continue going down. Yeah, so what I'm just waiting for is for price to give me a nice confirmation so that we can enter into the market. Yeah, and as you can see, price can possibly go down from this point because as you can see, it has swept liquidity above this highs over here, so we can anticipate for the price to go down. Yeah, let us just be patient. You know, patience is key in this game. Yeah, so let us just wait and see what will happen. Like, we should not have or get this fear of missing out. Maybe we fear that price will go without us or something. No, all you've got to do right now is just become zen. We shouldn't be having this haste mindset that we should enter into the market, maybe price will go without us or something. We should be zen. We should be the samurais that we want to be. Like for me, I'm the dark samurai. I must act like a samurai, and one of the character traits or the virtues of a samurai is to become patient, just to sit down waiting for the enemy to come to you, not you chasing the enemy. Yeah, so let us just wait. Let us just fold our hands. Let us not click any buy or sell buttons. Let us just stay zen. Let us just stay calm. Even if we miss entering from this point, price can come down and then pull back to this point, and then we can enter. Yeah, so we should not have any sort of maybe impatience or something. Yeah, let us just wait. So as you all can see, price just blasted from this supply zone over here. So right now we've just mitigated this supply zone over here, and right now we might anticipate to go downwards, or maybe price might decide to come all the way up here, sweep the liquidity that is above these highs over here, so that we can continue going downwards. Yeah, but the thing is, we won't know what the market will do, and this is where risking comes in. Yeah, so all you've got to do is just try and figure out where price will have to go down from, and that is where we get into the market. Yeah, so for me, I'm just going to enter into the market right now because price has already mitigated our point of interest. Yeah, we've just entered for short trades. As you can see over here, we are in a little bit of a drawdown. Yeah, so let us just wait and see if we shall get price going on our way. Yeah, so I've entered right over here, and then for my stop loss, I've placed it above our point of interest, and for my take profit, I've just aimed all the way down here to this opposing demand zone. Yeah, so I think price will just come and blast past this low that you've got at this point. So for me, I'm just going to be aiming at this point. Yeah, so let us just wait and see if price will hit our take profit or our stop loss, but whichever it will be, we've planned our trade, and right now we are trading our plan. So let me just go and do some other things out there, and then I shall come back and catch up with you, tell you how things are going and all. Yeah, so for now, it's ciao ciao. So guys, we are back, and as you can see over here, we are about to collapse down. Yeah, so as you can see over here, we've already gotten our market structure shift. As you can see, this was the last low that led us to making this higher high over here. Yeah, so price has come all the way down here. It has already gotten or given us our market structure shift, and right now it's just pulling back to give us our lower high so that we can continue going downwards. Yeah, so right now I'm sure that anytime from now we shall be collapsing down. Yeah, so right now we are about like $31. Yeah, nothing too big. So we are just about to collapse down 39. We're $39 up. Yeah, so price is just going in our way. We don't have nothing to maybe get first out about. Yeah, so let us just hold and see what price will do. But in the meantime, I think I'm going to be talking about something called dark motivation and light motivation. So we've got this thing called dark motivation and light motivation. Yeah, what is dark motivation? Dark motivation is when you feel motivated by something bad that has happened to you. Maybe some people are busy bullying you, or maybe people don't believe in your dreams, or maybe if you tell them, they just brush it away. They just end up abusing you or telling you that you won't be able to do that thing. Or maybe it can be your family. Maybe your family have doubts in you. Maybe they tell you that you can not do something. Maybe if you are trading, they tell you that you can't be a trader. Now that is where dark motivation clicks in. So dark motivation is where you use their words or maybe their sayings just to prove them wrong. And when it comes to light motivation, is maybe you've already proved them wrong and you've already reached to a point where you are satisfied with proving them wrong. Yeah. And right now you want to get to your highest being. Maybe you want to keep on grinding, maybe to you want to realize your fullest potential. You want to see how far you can go. Now that's light motivation. You've already gotten what you want in the previous or in the past. So right now we just want to aim higher. Like it's like in the Abraham Maslow's hierarchy of needs. You've already gotten what you need, maybe the basic needs. You've already fulfilled some of your dreams and something. And right now you want to get yourself to your highest, higher being. Maybe you want to become as rich as hell. Maybe you want just to see how much or how far you can go. Yeah, if you are into making money, you want to see how much money you can make in your lifetime. Yeah, now that is like inspiration. You get inspired from what you've already done, and right now you want to go far. You want to move swiftly and hastily, or maybe slowly and surely, just to get yourself to your highest being. Yeah, so that is light motivation. And when it comes to the comparison between the dark motivation and light motivation, you'll find that dark motivation is more powerful than the light motivation, because when in dark motivation, it's more of a need than a want. Like you just need to prove them wrong, or maybe you are going through some tough challenges in your life, or maybe you just want to get out of this rat race, you want to escape the matrix or something, and you just need it. It's not more of a want, it's more of a need. And when it comes to need, it's a matter of life and death. Like you have to do it. Like you have to do it. You can't compromise maybe your feelings or something. You just have to do it. Yeah. So dark motivation is a little bit more powerful than light motivation, because when it comes to light motivation, you've already gotten everything that you need. You've already gotten your capital. You've already gotten the motivation that you need, the inspiration to go further and something. So it's more of a want. Like you can just stop there wherever you are and you can still survive. Now, if you will be willing to go upwards, that is more of a want than a need. But when it comes to dark motivation, like you just have to do it. Like your life depends on it. Maybe you want to put food on the table. That is why you came into trading. Like you just need it. You can't survive without food. So you just need to do it so that you can fulfill your goals. And whenever it comes to a matter of wants and needs, needs are more powerful than wants. Yeah. So sometimes maybe you can be going through some tough challenges. Maybe life is not being favorable to you. Maybe you are going through some challenges, financial challenges, or maybe mental challenges. Not mental, maybe not that you are going mad or something. No, maybe you are stressful. You are desperate to maybe just get yourself to your highest point. Maybe you want to be as rich as possible or something. Yeah, now that is some kind of mental challenge. Maybe you want to build your muscles, you want to build your body to its best self or something, or maybe you want to get yourself to your better self. Yeah, now that is some kind of challenge, and sometimes you need to use that challenge as some form of motivation, and that motivation or inspiration is called dark motivation. And whenever you've got that dark motivation, you've already found your why. Why are you putting yourself into all this trouble so that you can reach your highest being? Let's say you want to build your body, you want to become as physically fit as possible, so you just need to go and grind in the gym. That is your why. The dark motivation has led you to find your why. And whenever you find your why is to build your body. And your how will be going to the gym. Like you've just got to hit the gym, or maybe do some homemade gymnastics at home or something, just to get yourself to the best shape as possible. Or maybe if you've got some financial challenges, that is your why. The dark motivation has told you that okay, you need to get yourself financially stable, and your how is to maybe find something that will make you as rich as possible. Maybe to get yourself financially stable or something, you can start trading, or maybe you can start freelancing, you can start maybe real estate, or maybe Damn, price is just dropping. Let's just look at that, man. This is the liquidity that I was waiting for. Just look at that. Damn. Okay, so I was saying, damn. Eesh, damn. Damn. Okay, let me just place my take profit. I haven't placed my take profit, man. Damn. Have we got some news or something? Damn. Damn. I haven't placed my take profit. Okay, let me just place it so fast. So I had said that I'm going to be placing it at, let me see. Okay, so I'm going to be placing it somewhere over here. Yeah. Okay, let me just place it over here. Let me just place it there. So it's 14026. 14026. 14020. Damn. 14026. Damn. We are just out, man. Damn. We are just out of the trade. Damn. Just look at that. Price has just trickled down all the way to my TP. Just look at that. Damn. So today we've made, okay, price has already hit my TP. Look at this. Today we've made 364 USD. Damn. Like price has just dropped down to my TP like hell. Just look at this. Like I'm just talking to you guys and then price just came down to and hit my TP. Like what the hell is happening? Have we got some news or something? Damn. Like this has got to be the fastest TP that I've ever hit in my life. Like just look at this week. Just look at this candlestick. Damn. Price just trickled down from this point all the way down here and hit my TP. Damn. We've just made 364 USD in like 1 minute or something. Like price was just lingering all over here, somewhere over here, and then we just dropped down. I don't know if we've got some news or something, and I don't know. I'll check it later and then I'll tell you guys. But this has got to be the fastest TP ever. Damn. What the hell just happened? Damn. What the hell? Like this has got to be the fastest TP ever. I've never hit TP as fast as this. This has got to be the fastest TP ever. Damn. And right now price is just reversing. Damn. My internet just got, okay. Let me just say and refresh this internet. Okay, yeah. So price right now is just reversing. Like it just came down, hit our TP, and right now it's reversing on us. Just look at this. Price is just reversing. So let me just tell you why I decided to place my take profit over here. As you can see, we've got this sort of fair value gap at this point. Yeah, we've got some fair value gap at this point, and right now the fair value gap can send this price action over here to just go back and reverse on me. So I decided to place this my take profit on this fair value gap, and as you can see, price just came past this fair value gap, came down to this order block that you've got at this point here. As you can see, you've got this order block, and right now it is reversing. Yeah, like this has got to be the fastest TP that I've ever hit in my life. Damn, what just happened? Damn, what the hell? This has got to be some news, or if it's not news, maybe London liquidity, because how the hell did we just come all the way from this point all the way to this point within a fraction of like 20 seconds? Like what the hell? Damn. Okay, I don't know even where I stopped at, because I saw price trickling down to my TP and I just got somehow excited and all, and I had not yet placed my TP. And right now, price has just hit my TP like nothing has happened. Like seriously speaking. Damn. 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 Okay, enough with that. So we've already, today we've made 364 USD, as you can see, 364. Yeah. So I'm satisfied today. But you've just seen how price has just trickled down to my take profit. Like I've never ever seen price trickle down to my take profit as that. I don't know what is happening to my network. Okay. So I was talking about dark motivation and light motivation. I was telling you that maybe you've got these challenges, maybe financial challenge or something, and you just need to get yourself to some financial freedom. And right now, that is your why. Like, why have you got to get yourself to some financial freedom? To get money and maybe put food on the table. Maybe you want to get location freedom because eventually when you get financial freedom, location freedom will follow. You'll just get to work anywhere, wherever you want, whenever you want. You see, you can just go to Dubai, Bali, Indonesia or something. Yeah. So you just need to get financial freedom so that you can get location freedom and again time freedom, so that nobody can get on bossing you around. Maybe you should come to work maybe at 9 a.m. and leave at 5 p.m. or something. No, you just don't want somebody to keep on bossing you and keep you in some sort of time prison, like you're just confined over a certain time. You see, so that is your why you need to get financial freedom, so that at the long run you get the location freedom and the time freedom, and that is why you are trying to chase your goals. And whenever you get that why, the how will automatically come. You just sit down, meditate, and try to think of some work that will get you to achieving your goals. You just call yourself to some personal meeting. You call your brain, your heart, your mind, and all. You see, and your soul also. And then you just sit down. You call yourself. You tell yourself, okay, how shall I be able to get myself to this financial freedom, so that at the long run I can get the location freedom and time freedom and all. Yeah. And at the long run, after you've already gotten the how, you'll just work on it because you are darkly motivated. And at the end of it all, you'll end up succeeding. So sometimes these tribulations, these trials should not be lowering your grind. Like you should take advantage of those trials and tribulations, so that at least you can try and fix something. You know, as a samurai, the samurais always had this virtue that some things are not in your control. Like, you're not in control of things, but you are in control of how you respond to them. Maybe there is some certain action that has happened to you. Maybe you've lost a trade or something and all, but how you respond to that loss of that trade is in your control. You're not in control of you losing a trade or maybe winning a trade, but what you are in control of is how you respond to either winning that trade or losing that trade. A brokey trader can just decide to enter into another position, maybe to revenge trade, so that he can get his money back or something. But for a professional trader, he'll just sit down, okay, just bite the loss and look for another opportunity, maybe tomorrow or something. Just close the laptop, close the books, and just tell himself, okay, today I was not that lucky or something, because somehow luck and trading is somehow, I don't know. But to me, this is not luck. I did my analysis, and as you can see, my analysis paid off. Yeah. So the professional trader will just tell himself, okay, today I've lost, but I might have lost the battle, but I surely will win the war if I become zen. I just calm down, I just calm my brain, I just calm my mind and all. I just stay relaxed, and surely another opportunity will just present itself, and maybe next time you'll win. And even if you lose, you just keep on repeating that same thing consistently, and at the end of it all, you'll get what you want. You'll just become profitable. But for a amateur trader, like, they'll just end up maybe opening other positions, or maybe scaling in into a losing position. Like, you see price coming all the way to this point and you scale in again. Price comes all the way to this point, you scale in, maybe hoping that price will go on your way or something. Or maybe close a position. Once you see a retracement or something, maybe you're in a drawdown, you close that position. That is what an amateur trader would do. Or maybe something like, you've lost a lot of trades and you keep on trading. A professional trader would just stay out of the market and just stay zen, tell himself, okay, I've been losing. Let me just go and refine my edge for some time, get some time out of the chart and the markets, clear my mind, so that I can come in with a fresh mind, fresh thoughts, and fresh edge after refining it. Yeah. So that is what a professional trader would do. Now, as you can see, that professional trader, he has used that dark motivation. Maybe the dark part is he's been losing. The motivation is to go on and refine his sword, like to come back a better samurai with a better edge, better strategy. Or okay, not better strategy. You refine your strategy to the best or better form of it. You just go and refine it. Don't switch on from one strategy to the other or something. No, don't do that. Just go on, be motivated to at least refine your edge to a better form of it, and then come back stronger, as I've said. Yeah. And again, light motivation, maybe you've already hit your $10,000 in a month or something. You'll be motivated not to maybe go buy a yacht and quit trading for some time, or maybe go and spend all of your profits maybe in this fancy places or maybe bars or something, don't go on and waste your profits. You'll be motivated to go and invest your profits maybe in buying stocks, maybe these stocks that will be doing good in future. Like, okay, let me just not mention any stock for now, but maybe later I can talk about stocks or something. But you have to invest your profits. Maybe that is what a professional trader would do. Out of light motivation, you'll be motivated to invest your money, not going on and partying and using all your profits and then telling yourself that you'll come back later. Because if you tell yourself that you'll come back later, you will lose your momentum. And once you lose your momentum, then that is the end of you. So as a trader, if you've got enough profits, maybe you've made enough profits, you can just go and spend a little bit of it. I'm not saying that you should not celebrate or something. No, don't not celebrate, if that makes sense. Yeah, just celebrate, but celebrate it maturely. Don't just go and spend all your profits and throwing it away and then coming back to square one. No, that is what a professional trader should do. Just go and invest, celebrate maturely and invest. But for an amateur trader, they don't have some kind of light motivation. They just go and spend all their money and then come back to square one. And chances are when they come back, they'll have already lost their momentum. Yeah. So that is it. You should know how to use both dark motivation and light motivation in your well-being. Yeah. So today we made about 364 USD. As you can see, price is just reversing on me. Like, it just came to that order block and right now it's going up like crazy. Just look at that. Like, I got out at the exact point, almost the exact point at which the price is just reversing on me. And as you can see, this has been the fastest trade ever. Like, I've never ever seen something like this. This is just crazy, man. Damn. Let me just look at it at the 1 minute time frame. Like, the exact point when I was getting out of break even, price just went down and collapsed. Just look at this. And right now price is just reversing. So this was like 1:2.45. Yeah, nothing bad. Okay, now it's just decent. Let me just not say it's good. It's decent. Yeah. And as you can see, price just came down and right now it's reversing on me. Yeah, not on me, on other traders. I did a good thing to get out of this point and we made 364 bomboclat USD. Yeah. So as you can see, 300 done. So as you can see, 364 USD, 364. So that's it, guys. We see each other in the next video. And okay, just to tell you guys how far we are going. As you can see over here, let me just show you my channel. So for my channel, done. Let me just go back to my channel and show you how far we have come at. So as you can see over here, we are at 102 subscribers. Yeah, so it's nothing too bad. Thank you for allowing me reach 102 subscribers, because I would have given up or quit at 50 subscribers, maybe seeing that the subscription rate is not that good. Maybe my videos are not getting views. You know, some videos can just go into some kind of void or something. But for me, I'll never quit. As a samurai, you should never quit. And for me, I won't be quitting anytime soon. Yeah. So thank you for allowing me reach 102 subscribers. Let us kick it up, maybe to 200 subscribers and all. Yeah. So this is Brad Go, my favorite YouTuber and also trader. Like, as you can see, I always watch him and all. Yeah. So as you can see, the trade is now going to the direction of those people who are willing to hold this trade all the way down there. But for me, I am out. So let us meet in the next video. Today we made 364 bomboclat USD. Damn. Damn, this is the fastest trade that I've ever taken. Yeah. So let us meet in the next video. I'm anticipating to meet you there. Like, subscribe, share, and do anything that is needed of you. And remember, you have to do something with your life. It's never too late. Bye bye.